Chapter 2. Human Body. Human body. Human body is a wonderful machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste and feel. It can also move, grow, breathe and reproduce. It is made up of different parts. They work together to keep it alive and healthy. Our body has two main parts. We call these external parts and internal parts. External parts of our body. Parts of our body that can be seen from outside are called external parts. We can see and touch them. They are head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, tongue, skin, mouth, trunk and limbs. All the parts of the body perform specific functions. External part of our body: head, eye, ear, nose, mouth, trunk, limbs. Trunk. A person's body apart from the head and limbs is called the trunk. It has the main support of the body, that is the backbone. It has all the important internal parts of the body. Limbs. There are two types of limbs in our body: the upper limbs and the lower limbs. The upper limbs are called hands and the lower limbs are called legs. Hands help us in holding things, pushing, clapping, pulling, writing, etc. Legs help us in walking, running, jumping, etc. Internal parts of our body. The parts of the body that cannot be seen from outside are called the internal parts. These are inside our body: bones, brain, heart, lungs, and kidneys are some of the internal parts of our body. These important organs work together to perform many tasks. There are many organ systems. Skeletal system. The human body is made of 206 bones. These bones form the framework of the body known as skeleton. It provides protection by reducing risk of injury to the internal organs. Skeletal system. Digestive system. The organs of this system, abdomen, intestines, help in digestion of food. It also helps in absorption of the digested food. Food and liquid need to be broken down into smaller parts. Circulatory system. Our heart, blood and blood vessels form circulatory system. Heart pumps the blood, which is carried by the blood vessels to different parts of the body. Blood supplies oxygen and other nutrients to all the body parts. Respiratory system. Nose, lungs and windpipe form the respiratory system. It helps us to breathe and absorb oxygen in our blood. It is also known as breathing system. Nervous system. Brain and nerves form the nervous system. Brain controls all parts of the body. It receives message from other body parts through the nerves and sends messages to respond accordingly. Excretory system. Kidneys form the excretory system. They filter the blood and removes the waste in the form of urine. Sense organs. Eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. Each sense organ performs specific and special function. Eyes. Our eyes help us to see the world around us. We see different colors, objects with them. They send message about the things around us to brain. The brain tells about the things we are looking at. We should not rub our eyes hard. Nose. We breathe and smell through our nose. We can distinguish different kinds of smell. Some animals like dog, cats and rats can smell better than human beings. We should clean our nose daily. Ears. We hear with our ears. They hear different sounds and convey them to the brain. The brain tells us about the things that make the sound. We have an eardrum in each ear. We should not poke anything which is sharp into our ears. Tongue. We taste food with our tongue. There are many taste buds on it, which help us to identify different tastes, such as sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. We also speak with the help of our tongue. Skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body. We feel things with it. It tells us if something is hot, cold, rough, or smooth. This is due to the sense of feel by the skin. Quick recall. Human body has internal and external body parts. External body parts include eye, ears, nose, tongue, skin, trunk, and limbs. Internal body parts consist of brain, lungs, stomach, intestines, heart, kidneys, blood vessels, etc. Organ systems perform important tasks like excretion, circulation, breathing, digestion, providing support and balancing.